You are not gonna believe me. I just found the Diesel 10. That's a remote control Diesel 10. I remember in a previous video I mentioned that I found the battery cover for remote control Diesel. I never posted that. Did I sold it? I think I sold it. Oh man, I found the battery cover. It's gone now. I sold it before and I found the battery cover. Now the battery cover is gone. I don't know where I put it. But I remember this one needs to be fixed. It still works a little bit, but it's skipping a gear. See, it's not working as it should, so I need to do a fix and repair on that model. The only problem is that I don't know where I put this battery cover, but I'm gonna find it and then I am going to put it for sale. I'm not using. Also found this I think it's a real steam Thomas. Yep, working great. Now let's do a test with diesel. See, it needs to be fixed. You know what, I'm gonna fix it right now. But before that, I'm gonna show you something show up in the mail. So this company specializes in phone accessories, and look, we have two charger cables which are USB-C to USB-C. A 45-watt car charger comes with two ports. One is for USB and the other one for USB-C. Feels very well built. That means I can charge my phone and my tablet at the same time. Next we have a metal phone bracket. Actually it's a stand. Comes with instructions. Nice. This one's actually aluminum. This product definitely is good for me. Look what I have. This is my stand, but now I'm gonna use this. Wow, pretty solid, nice, that's sweet. I like this stand. Check the link in the description. And now we have the last item, which is a screen protector. Since I'm recording from my Samsung, I cannot show you how to, but it's very easy. Check the video now. Check this out. Mobile phone camera lenses. Nice. All these accessories can be found in the link in the description and are for iPhone or Samsung. Alright, let's begin with Diesel 10. We have removed 1, 2, and 3 screws. Now we can pull this apart. It's very important that these come all together. You cannot or should not pull one from another. Now let's find out what's going on with Diesel 10. I see nothing wrong in here, and here neither. In order to do some tests, we need to press this little switch here. That's where the front wheel goes. We press it, hold it, push this, and it's kind of a little noisy, but I can see that it's strong. There's nothing wrong with that, so that may be the problem here with this little wheel. I'm gonna change the cog on this one, remove all the screws, and then this cover to access the last screw that is holding all the gearbox together. Let me remove this one apart, and hopefully I can. Alright, I have access. Not a big deal. And I think the noisy gear is the one here in the motor. This one here. I need to remove it. I need to extract it. done. And spare part for my box. New coke done. Now the fun part to put this everything back together. Good thing that these are almost the same design as the other models. And the next part goes here. Curious, this lever seems the ones the same on the steam along or the Tolkien engines from Thomas series. Good. Excellent. Improve a little bit. It's doing much better. Alright, the next step, it seems that it's working, but it's not working as it should. The driving actually engaged, but the problem is if you move it to the right side, it disengaged. So that means that driving axle is offset. That means I'm trying to say is this needs to be pushed. This needs to be pushed this way a little bit. I don't know if I can do this with my bare hands trying to push. No, I gotta do it with something else. Let's see if it definitely works or no. We are almost done, ready for test. Look at that face. That sounds really nice. Stop, reverse. Works good. Now the only problem is I need to find the battery cover. Nice. That is really fast. Don't forget to check the link in the description for these nice products for iPhone and Samsung.